Hello, lovely people. So today we are going to make this special Ghanaian delicacy, Nyadwa Abomu, that is garden egg stew. We'll go through this recipe step by step. So stay tuned if you want to learn how this is made. So first, we are going to boil our ingredients. So that is garden eggs, turkey berries, and pepper. We'll bring this to a boil. Make sure it is well cooked before we proceed to grind it. So in an earthenware bowl, I'm going to grind some onion, pepper, and turkey berries first before we add the garden eggs later on. Once that is well combined, I'll go ahead and add all the garden eggs to it and mix it thoroughly. To that, I'll add cured fish, which I fried in palm oil before adding it to the grinded ingredients. So now I'm going to fry onions in the same palm oil I used, and I will go ahead and pour it on the garden eggs mixture. But before that, you taste for salt and adjust it to your taste right after you add the cured fish to it. So you mix this completely and our Nyadwa Abomu is ready. The garden egg stew is ready and is ready to be served. Now, if you are very hungry and you are looking for something fast to prepare, this is a go-to recipe that you can try. Now to that, I'll add some eggs for garnishing, some sliced avocado, and kobe, that is salted tilapia. So at this point, it is ready to be eaten with anything you want to eat it with, but it's mostly served with yam or plantain. Your body ampisi, bayo ampisi, apim ampisi. I mean, it matches with all of that. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. Thank you once again.